So go here in the auto, here auto upload monitor test port. So in the bottom you can see here, just click here and you will see on the top this port will be appeared. So my board is Arduino Uno, so for showing I connect two boards and one mobile. So here it is showing common port 10 is Arduino Mega, then common port 11, this is our Uno, then and communication port 8, this Samsung my mobile. So I will select communication port 11. When you select 11, you can see here in the bottom communication port 11 is selected and it is showing here. Before it is here auto, and if you go here PlatformIO home, and you can see the devices, and here you can see also these ports are appear. So my Arduino Uno, this is actually channel 340, this is so that's why it is showing communication port 11. So this is the way to select the communication port. There is another way. If you go here PlatformIO, here you can also upload the port. So what you do, first go to the PlatformIO home, and from here you can copy, click for copy port name on the clipboard. This is the second way. First way is very comfortable and easy. Second way, copy, it will copy and it will show here. Then go to PlatformIO, then here you can write upload port, it will come here, then space, then equal sign, then you can paste what you copy, Control V, here, even port here. This is the other way. After that you can go to your code and you can upload.